If you've ever felt torn between opportunities, overwhelmed by choices, or stuck trying to make one program work while another one looks better, you're not alone. Most people jump from offer to offer because they never build the business foundation that makes every opportunity more profitable. In this blog, you'll learn exactly how to build a business system that enhances any opportunity. Crypto, affiliate marketing, coaching, network marketing, or digital products without quitting, switching, or starting over. That is why, for so many people, it is extremely difficult to build a business that enhances any opportunity. So what we have here is a blog, okay? This blog is 72 right now. In order to publish this post, it needs a score of 75. If you stick with me, I'm going to show you why this is the gold, okay? Other people are teaching out methods that do not work, okay? They're telling you to talk to your friends or make a list of 20 friends or cold message people or just keep posting good mornings on social media, etc. That doesn't work, okay? You need a system that enhances any opportunity. And if you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, crypto, it doesn't matter, okay? This will build any system, again, help you build any opportunity, okay? This will work no matter even if you don't join me, okay? This is great advice for anybody, okay? So we're blogging, and then above and beyond the blog, once I publish this blog, I'm also going to put this on YouTube where it's going to double or triple the actual SEO because I'm not only saying these words, I mean, you're not only putting them online, okay, for people to read them, okay, and the YouTube spiders will go do Google spiders will do what they do, but then I'm also going to verbally say the words. So this is a underground method to get serious traffic to whatever you're promoting, okay? That's how I'm ranking number 1, number 2 on Google and YouTube, okay? Over and over again before the video even is published, when it's still hidden, okay? You can do this too, okay? We're not hiding anything. We're teaching this stuff. Either people are scared to teach you or they don't even know, okay? We're not scared. We want to help you earn online, no matter whether you join us or not, okay? But if you join us, it's going to be way more powerful because we will not only train you, we'll train your people and your people's people. But let's get back to the video, okay? So, as you can see, this is 72. I'm going to publish it, I need a 75, so I'm going to show you something in just a minute. Just stick with me, okay? This is worth it. Now, what it really means to build a business that enhances any opportunity. Most people think success comes from picking the right program, but the truth is success comes from having a business system that multiplies whatever program you choose. When you have the right foundation, you can plug in crypto, affiliate offers, coaching, network marketing, digital products, side hustles, and everything becomes easier, more profitable, and more duplicatable. This is the difference between opportunity chasing and business building that enhances any opportunity. Here's the real reason people struggle online. They join a program, they try to promote it, they realize they don't have a funnel, emails, traffic plan, onboarding, duplication, or daily rhythm. And I realized I did not say the title of this. How to build a business that enhances any opportunity. Okay, this is all important, okay? So they switched to a new program hoping it will be the one. But the problem isn't the program. The problem is the missing business foundation. This is why Google rewards businesses that demonstrate stability, clarity, and long-term value. When you build a system that enhances multiple opportunities instead of relying on a single program, you create a business model that aligns with how real entrepreneurs grow. This is the difference between being tied to one offer and building a scalable digital business ecosystem. The core framework to build a business that enhances any opportunity. If you want to build a business that enhances any opportunity, it usually has 3 core components. A funnel that works for everything. Your funnel should collect leads, build trust, follow up automatically, and plug in any offer you want. See, this is the problem, though. I'm going to state something. Most people offer done-for-you systems, and they work, but the problem is people join other people. They don't join you because most other people are building their list. Most other people have a following. Most other people have a system, okay? You don't want to send people to a copy and paste system with a page that everybody else has seen before, okay? Does that make sense? You want to send them to a branded funnel, okay, that promotes you and builds know, like, and trust with people, so you don't just hit one shot to get them, okay? This is how you stop starting over. A daily method of operation. You need a simple, repeatable rhythm. Content, traffic, follow-up, connection, duplication. When your DMO is daily method of operations, DMO is locked in, any program becomes easier. A high commission backend. This is the part most people miss. If you want to earn real income online, you need high commissions plus low volume equals fast results. This is why 80% commissions monthly per person per matter so much. You can earn more with fewer sales, and that income supports everything else you're building. How to build a business that enhances any opportunity across multiple, this is supposed to be niches. Crypto, like Icon Pro, for example. I'm not promoting any business right here. Okay, this can work with any business. It can work with any system, whether you join me or not. You learn a skill. You plug leads into your funnel. You earn 80% commissions on your back end. You build 2 income streams instead of 1. Affiliate marketing. Your funnel becomes your home base. You can promote multiple offers. You build a list that pays you forever. You monetize coaching. You monetize your audience. You offer HBA as a starter path. You build residual income while coaching. Network marketing. You onboard reps faster. You give them a duplicatable system. You earn even when your MLM slows down. This is how you build leverage instead of burnout, okay? The emotional shift when you finally build a business that enhances any opportunity. Most people don't fail because they're lazy or unmotivated. They fail because they're exhausted from starting over. And when you build a business that enhances any opportunity, something powerful happens. The pressure drops, the confusion fades, and you finally feel like you're building something that will last. This is the moment where people stop surviving and start scaling. Why HBA is the smartest way to build a business that enhances any opportunity. HBA, Home Business Academy, gives you the exact business foundation most people spend years searching for. Instead of forcing you into one lane, it gives you a system that multiplies whatever lane you're already in. With 80% commissions, a plug-and-play funnel, a proven daily method of operation, and a duplication system that works for beginners, HBA becomes the income engine behind every opportunity you touch. You don't have to quit anything. You don't have to switch programs. You don't have to start over. And if you join me, we give you and your people and their people the best training and bonuses, period. So we'll train your people for you. You just plug them in, and we'll build you, them, their people, and their people their own custom branded funnel and plug in 150 emails, etc. All of our bonuses. You simply plug into HBA what you're already doing, and everything becomes more profitable. Now, before you join anything, if you're ready, build a business that enhances any opportunity. If you're ready to start starting over, stop feeling torn between programs, and finally build a business that enhances any opportunity you choose, then HBA is the smartest move you can make today. It gives you the foundation, the income engine, and the duplication system that makes everything else you're doing more profitable. Before you join anything, build the business that all makes it work. Now I'm going to show you how to make this rank, and then I'm going to show you actual ranking proof, okay? So stick with me. This is important. Now, right here, I'm going to go to my post, right here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this right here and go back to the edit post, right? I'm going to link it. Okay, rank math, how I know this is I go to rank math, okay? It says somewhere in additional 4 errors, I'm looking for that. We couldn't find any internal links in your content. That means content I already have, okay? So I'm going to do that now, okay? I haven't shown this part yet. Now watch. 72, I'm going to hit this enter button. It went up 5 points. Now it's publishable. So I'm going to publish it, okay? Now I'm going to show you actual ranking proof, okay? So we're going to go search for these terms right here. First of all, we're going to go to Postcard Tycoon Review, okay? And I'm going to show you multiple rankings, okay? I'm going to test this. I haven't done this, but I believe it's going to rank for more than one thing. So on YouTube, we're going to go, we're incognito. This is real ranking proof. Number 1 video, okay? Now we're just going to try Postcard Review. We're going to try 300 a day. I haven't done this before. And if it doesn't work, hey, I look like an idiot. The sun will still come out tomorrow. I'll still wake up. So we're going to take all these extra things out, right? And we're going to get rid of this, right? Guess who's still number one? And we'll take our secret. Let's take our secret, okay? Number two. So you see I'm ranking for more than, and if this may not rank. And it didn't. Postcard Day Tycoon, let's try 300 a day. And we're back in number 3. Okay, so now we're going to go to, let's see if it actually does it. No, this is not it. Okay, so we need the whole title. Okay, so we're going to get the title and we're going to check on Google. Sorry. Yesterday I ranked my video. Sorry. I need the full title. Give me a minute. Damn. It keeps on. Give me a second. I don't know why it won't let me click on this. Copy. Come on. Copy. Okay. Now we're gonna go check Google. Okay. I think we have what we need. Okay. We're gonna get rid of some of this. All right. Guess who's number one with only 3 views? Me. Okay, and we're going to click on this video and we'll prove it to you that this is me. You make money on it with JJ. And you see the same person, okay, with a different picture, okay? And then that's obviously my picture right there. So, again, number 1 on Google, number 1 on YouTube, okay? This is the type of results you have if you follow a system and you get the best training. And not only we will train you, we'll train your people and your people's people, okay? Is that okay with you? Would you like to have less pressure and make more money without whatever you're building, okay? Again, this will work for anybody, okay? No matter what your opportunity is. Whether you join me or not, you need certain things, okay? You need to stop doing what everybody else is doing and stand out, okay? If you're sending people to a company page, everybody's seen that before, okay? And you're building the company's list, okay? You're not standing out. You're not branding yourself. You're basically, the definition of insanity is doing something over and over again and expecting a different result, okay? Stop doing that. Build your list. You ever heard the money's in the list? Build your list, build a following, okay, get more than one shot at get somebody joining you, okay? Because when you plug in with us, one of the bonuses is you get 150 emails. So you get 150 times people are going to get, even if you send one a day, that's 5 months, okay? Build know, like, and trust with people, okay? And the more you do this, the more Google and YouTube trust you, okay? That's why I'm ranked on multiple things, okay? I chose you in YouTube how I ranked on multiple different keywords, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay? Really cool. But we'll teach you that and more in the Team Freedom Warriors. And the first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader, this guy right here. This is the same guy that will train your people Monday through Friday. I even told you about that, right? And help you build your business and their business, okay? And the first step is to schedule a call with this guy. He gets your system set up and you make more money every month, okay? Residual income. Because let's say you make $3,000 next month, okay? That's really cool. $3,000 in, say, March. Guess what? You're usually, with most programs, you're starting over at 0. You're not starting over 0 with us, okay? If this sounds cool to you, comment system or comment how to build a business that enhances any opportunity. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get with Jada today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.